Everybody, this thing here. Right now I'm staying in my family. This is my real family. You can see here. Now we just came back here to bring a little bit. We came back here to bring some rice. Go and then we go into the Taban village. So right here I got here. And this is two little dog. Dog! What are you doing? Ah! Ay! Ah! Alright. So cool. Nice. I show you the view in my family home. Right here. See, we have banana leaf. We have mountain. A lot of rice. A lot of rice just down there. Down there. But that's actually not my family one. My family right here on the top of the mountain. I'm not sure you can see that. Tay non trong trường hợp như chân ta em lẻ.
Chẳng nên là kì.